Oh my God, you look beautiful.
Do you love it? Do you love it?
You look amazing. You look gorgeous.
Really? It's not too much.
You look amazing.
I love you.
I love you so much. I can't believe we're here.
We're here.
Rain or shine, like I said.
Rain or shine, here we are.
I was searching for an open door. I was looking for a peace of mind. It's a feeling that I tend to get. Won't rest until I make it right. Couldn't stand the thought of losing her before time had come. Like a storm outraged that night. In the dark I came undone.
I was gonna say beautiful day, but we'll just say day now. We'll just say day. And the absence of Frank's father, Roger, is certainly the most deeply felt.
After meeting Dad for the first time, you took it upon yourself to stop at the hospital for visits after work, sneaking in food and cookies from time to time. Dad often talked about how amazing you are and how he just loved you. Whenever I was having a rough day because Dad was sick, you'd be there to lift me up. The day that I knew I wanted to spend my life with you was when you told me you'd move in and help take care of Dad when he was well enough to come home from the hospital. Although that day never came, I know he's looking down on us now, ecstatic that I'm reading these vows to you today.
Oh, this house with my own two hands, so you can make it out. So you can make it out.
I promise to stand by your side through the good and the bad, and to find the joy in every moment together. You've taught me to appreciate the little things in life, to fight for what I believe in, and most of all, that there is no halftime in baseball.
We were standing in the freezing rain. Honey, how could I forget? In the distance were the warning bells, but I knew that you weren't caving yet.
The way you respect our relationship, how you always bring a smile to my face on my not so great days, and most of all, how your love for me is so effortless and unconditional.
You truly are the beat in my heart. You are the sweetest, most caring person that I've ever met. You have a smile that lights up a room. You're as equally beautiful on the inside as you are on the outside, and good God, you are beautiful. I'm still in awe that I found you. I promise you, now that I have, I'll never let you go.